Okay, hi. My name is Chef Zaliano. This is my wife, Fara. We renovate our house with Momentous Interior. We have a very great experience and adventures during this renovation. She will tell you more.
I think to start off with, they actually sat down with us and went through with us on the renovation processes and timeline, which is very good because our biggest challenge is that we need to move in. We have 3 months extension, so we need to move in actually 1 month after
Completion.
completion.
Mm.
So they basically have 1 month to complete all the necessary works before we move in, and after which then they will continue the other processes. So I think that's the biggest challenge, but they managed to we managed to achieve what we wanted during the first month. It was a great, I think it was a good initiative that they did, which was to process all the important factors, which is the
Toilets,
toilets,
the lights.
yes, the lights, the grills, and the flooring and all. So they managed to complete all this within 1 month, and when we
Mm.
moved in, it was just the carpentry works that we need to face.
Oh
So
yeah, I think don't forget about the ID. Our ID is this one. He's being very great service to us lah.
he's always there lah. He's always present. Even though we are not there to monitor the whole process, he
Mm.
was there for us,
Yeah.
and he made sure that everything was in place, and everything was exactly what we wanted.
Yep.
So he monitored the whole process for us, and followed up on every single process, to ensure that it's something that we really really wanted.
Yes. Yes, everything is like what we wanted lah, like you say. From the materials to the product that we want to the design and everything.
And the quality of the carpentry, and I know it was a tedious process because we need a lot of things done, like the hidden doors, the walk-in wardrobe. They
Yep.
have to work on a small space for the walk-in wardrobe and all, but yes, we managed to achieve what we wanted. So
Yeah,
it's a very good
we like to say thanks to
experience.
the Momentous Interior as well for the great achievement that they design our house and also they complete the project. It really take us like 2.5 months.
Yes.
Somewhere around there, 2.5 months is quite fast. Yeah, and then the design and the color scheme and everything we discussed together. It's a very good service lah from them.